If you're currently in the higher classes, once you start Pythagoras theorem, your teacher may probably ask you this question or an assignment. List 5 Pythagorean triples. For example, what is a Pythagorean triple? If you have a right angle triangle, you know it is a triangle with one of the interior angles being 90 degrees. So if this side is 5, this is 4, this must be 3. Let me prove it for you. According to Pythagoras theorem, it stated that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides, 3 squared plus 4 squared. So let's see if this is true. The left hand side we have 25 because 5 squared is 25. So 3 squared is 16. No, it's 9, sorry. And this is 16. And 9 plus 16 is indeed 25. So you see 25 equals 25, which is true. So this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 3, 4, or 5, 4, 3, all the same. Or let me write it in order. We have 4 and 3. Or you can start with 3, 4, 5. This is what the triple we are talking about. So if your teacher asks you to list like 5 of them, how can you do that? Are you going to be testing values? No. For example, let's assume you have a right angle triangle here. Just assign any number here at random, here or here. Do not start with hypotenuse. So let's assume this is 6. 6 is an even number. Take that even number divided by 2. This is going to give us 3. The result 3, square that, which is going to give us 9. Then subtract 1 from 9 and add 1 to 9. If you add 1, you get 10. If you subtract 1, you get 8. So these are the two other numbers you need to place here and here. You know this is the longest side, so this should be 10 and this is 8. So the triple is what? 10, 8, 6. So 10s6 is one of the solutions you should give your teacher. Then what about if this number is not even? I told you if it is even, you divide it by 2, you square the result, then you split it by adding 1 and subtracting 1. But if the number is like odd, like 7, do not divide it by 2, square it directly. And this is going to give us what? 49. Then you're not going to add 1 and subtract 1 just the way we did here. Instead, find 2 numbers you can add to get 49, but make sure that those 2 numbers are consecutive. Consecutive. All right. The consecutive numbers you can add to get 49 are 25 and 24. Yes. So the longest side should be 25 and the shorter side should be 24. So if you like, you can prove it. Take this side squared. Is it equal to this side squared plus this side squared? So the triple is 25, 24, and 7. And let me even prove it here for you. Let's assume this is what you have. You assign 3. If you take 3, you square that, that is going to give us 9. 2 consecutive numbers that we can add together to get 9 are 4 and 5. Remember, 4 then 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So what about if you decide to start from this number 4? If you take 4, you divide it by 2, that is going to give you 2. So 2 squared is what? 4. Because you have to take the result and square that if it is an even number, right? So this 4, add 1 and subtract 1. Add 1 to get 5, subtract 1 to get 3. And this is true for all kind of combinations.